Hey everyone, Chris here. Just wanted to go over some new features that we built this weekend. You'll see at the top here the announcement. We built bulk content clusters with the proper pillar and supporting linking structure. So that is now available in your content studio in bulk mode to build proper pillar and supporting articles. Just a quick note at the top, the announcement bar always going to have relevant new feature alerts, webinars, booking one-on-one calls with me, etc. So make sure you take a look at the announcements. You will also be able to find the announcements right here as well. So let's dig in. Also real quick on the billing front as well, organization and everything is down here now. So you'll be able to hop in and see billing. You'll be able to now see, obviously we have annual plans if you want to make the switch. We do give you Cuppa.AI credits to use automatically deducted as you're building. So you'll see that here. Let me just go in real quick and you'll see what you're able to upgrade to and complete feature set down here as well. So give that a look. If you want to upgrade, you get a lot of Cuppa.AI credits. I think agency plans are $200 for the year. Agency plus plans are $400. And at the rates you're talking about, substantial amount of articles, thousands and thousands. So if you're looking to make the switch, you can upgrade directly in billing. So let's hop into the build. Let me go down here and go into create content bulk generation content cluster. So this is something we've been looking to build for quite a while. This is just the first version of this. Do expect an update here soon where the pillar is basically already created, for example, and then we can do supporting articles behind it. That will use the link engine, which of course uses your sitemap, which is our source of truth. So that goes hand in hand with the content cluster here. So make sure if you have power and above, go to your link engine settings. Make sure you have everything properly set up here. That way we can do the correct linking, and then let me just go back in. So you can either drop in CSV upload here, or you can do it just one by one, dropping in target keyword, best content writer, and then leaving in secondary keywords, and then supporting articles with secondary keywords. So totally up to you. I always do the CSV. I think we'll probably change this structure of how this example goes in, but let me just show you what this looks like for the time being. I'm going to upload a CSV here. My example there. Hitting update. So, okay, so my pillar is best AI writer, 8 supporting articles behind it. So 1 cluster, 9 articles. You can do apply AI instructions. Obviously, that's your old presets. I'm just going to leave it as is for now. Important things here, GPT-5.2, by the way, is actually fantastic. Give it a try. It's also pretty cheap. And then, yeah, everything here is obviously up to you on how you want to build, what you want to build for the actual cluster itself. But if you want to use your AI instructions, you can. Definitely link engine settings. This is important to get right, up to 8 per article. So we're pulling in basically your settings there to help build this. So let me just hit go here. Obviously, nice little instructions down here. So I will show you this as it's going. Let me just hop into generated content articles. And I also wanted to show you a feature here too. So as this comes through, you'll be able to see, the pillar and then the supporting articles behind it at the brand level. So another update we did over the weekend was we siloed everything based on the brand. So completely dashboard, brand settings, AI instructions, anything on the left that is specific to the brand is now completely specific to the brand. So if you're in a hobby plan, you obviously don't have the brand access. You will just have the organizational mode, but if you're a power user and above, you can switch to organizational mode, which won't have any of the brand elements with it, but this gives you an idea of just how everything is now just purely for this brand in this view. So as this is building, let me click in and see where we are. So it's generating right here. Let me go through just a little bit more here on the left-hand side, organizational notifications and integrations. So while that is building, I just want to go through integrations real quick because we did add a lot of new integrations with Cuppa 3.0 release. Obviously, GSC, highly recommend it if you're a power user and above and you're adding in your brand and you have GSC access, or it's a client and you have GSC access. It just gives us more context about things working, not working for the brand. Obviously, it feeds that brand DNA. That just makes the input that much stronger for the brand. So highly recommend adding that in there. You don't have to. Obviously, we talked about the integration here with Ahrefs. Slack, I use it all the time. That's where our team lives. So everything that happens within Cuppa for us is in Slack. You can configure notifications, by the way. So there are email notifications now that go out and also Slack notifications. But more importantly, on the Slack side, you can build directly from Slack. So if you just hit Command Cuppa space help, it will list every command that there is in Slack, and then you can just build single article, bulk, social posts, images, all directly through Slack. So you don't even really need to use the web interface anymore. Definitely, probably will be more of the trend moving forward. For 2026, we want to live and work where you do. Basically, Cuppa is going to be a massive API for all intents and purposes. So anyway, that is the notifications. Let me just go back real quick to integrations because I want to show you Canva. This should be approved today. They're doing their tests, but it's unlocked for now. It's a great feature. A little window pops up, sends you to Canva. You pull on your image, very seamless. And then last but not least, we obviously have a lot more CMSs here. So Ghost, Webflow, Sanity, Contentful, Airtable. If you have any, just let us know. They're very easy to integrate now, so that won't be a problem. So yeah, a lot more features here, probably more coming would be my guess. So let's go back to the articles here. Okay, so everything is now done. So you will see the pillar, all the support, and you will see the keyword, the date, our content grade, which is new as well. And then we can just hop in and take a look. So obviously a lot of things have changed here. We went over that a little bit on the Cuppa 3.0, but let me just walk you through it. Obviously the pricing and the model breakdown. By the way, we gave a little tooltip here. It's an estimated cost. It's pretty accurate, but there's always some things in terms of thinking models that might not be picked up by us, but for all intents and purposes, it's pretty close. Content grade, obviously, each of these elements are available within the editor, and then the link details, obviously the supporting links and the external links here, automatically done, fully complete cluster, supporting articles, feeding up to the pillar page, and then also external links, right? So that is all driven by the link engine settings that you set up for the brand. So yeah, scrolling down here, you'll see that here. And yeah, we're working on some more, I guess, prompting within the different models to make sure the links are very natural. Which they pretty much are. You'll see as you look through, maybe one or two might be something you could edit, but for all intents and purposes, it gets the job done. So yeah, that's pretty much everything with the content clusters. Let me go back here real quick. So you'll see pillar supporting everything that goes with it. So in a 9-minute video so far, we just did a proper internal linked strategy for this pillar with 8 supporting pages. You'll see also here different tags that start to come through. So this is the planner. So this is your 90-day automation content plan. That will have the proper tag to it as well. And then anything that's agent driven is going to have agent mode. So you'll see that come through too. So that is it for today, but we will be back, I'm sure, more this week with explaining some of the features that are already released with Cuppa 3.0, showing you what you can do with them, what you can build. But yeah, be on the lookout for more features coming this week.